So let me see if I can do the Instagram thing. Ooh, I can see it. It looks amazing. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is probably a bad idea. I'm going to blow dry it. Hi everyone, it's Marian. Welcome to my business life. Today I'm going to do a plant unboxing. So yeah, I didn't expect to buy plants this early in the year. I actually wasn't planning it to buy any plants until April, but I found a discount code for houseplant shop and I went to their website and see if there's any plants that I would like to buy. And I saw this plant for a very reasonable price because I've been looking for this plant for quite a while and I can't find it in any of the big box stores or nurseries in my area, so I know the only way I'll be able to get this is online. But after even stalking Etsy and some of the online plant websites, the prices for this one can get a little bit ridiculous. So finally I found it on Houseplant Shop for a good price, and with the discount code I practically got this for basically free shipping. And even though I only chose standard shipping for this, they send it to me priority, so which is amazing. So thank you Houseplant Shop for doing that. And they don't offer heat packs or anything, but they do give you an option of buying insurance for your purchase, which is like 98 cents for this one, and they would replace your plant if it's lost, damaged, or broken when you receive it. So I'm really glad that they sent it to me priority. It came a lot earlier than expected, so I wasn't really prepared because I'm about to head to a town hall, so I want to open this up before I head there. Okay, so like I said, this plant has been a wish list plant of mine, and it's something that I really want to add to my POTHOS collection. So I found it on Houseplant Shop for $19.99, and it's in a 6-inch pot. And the photo, of course, I mean the photo shows it to be really nice, like already trailing. I doubt it. You can see from the size of the box. From the camera it looks big, but it's actually not that big in person. It's actually a little bit smaller than I expected, but it probably is just really packed well. And I did an unboxing video from them last time too, the first time I ordered from them. I would link it up here. And to be honest, this is only the third time I ordered plants online. I'm more of an in-person shopper because I like to pick and choose the plants that I want to bring home. For the 3 out of 2 times that I bought plants online, I bought it from houseplantshop.com. I'm not sponsored, and nothing against other online plant shops. I just never really had a chance to buy something from them that I really want in a good price. So yeah, so let's open this thing. So like I said, this has no heat pack, but they do, at least from my past experience from them, they do pack their plants really well. So I think this would be okay. It's been in the 40s in Maryland. This came from California, and so it probably sat in the cold. Ooh, they kind of upgraded because this wasn't part of the package before the last time I bought from them. But look at that, they included a brochure and pamphlet on how to care for your plant. Oh, this is Houseplant Shop is stepping it up. Oh, it got a bit wet though, so like the pages are sticking. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so yeah, please read when you receive your plants if your plant is damaged. So there's like instructions on how to do that. Oh, it kind of sucked that it's stuck together, but it looked, I mean, I could see from the pages it looks pretty. Oh, okay, so there's like a table of contents of like the plants, and then you could look for certain plant that you bought and see how to care for them. And I hate extra packaging in when I order stuff, and sometimes like, you know, like user manuals and stuff they could probably just like look up online, but this actually makes for like a good coffee table book almost, and also a reference for your other plants if you're not sure how to take care of them. So they have everything from air plants to ZZ. Houseplant Shop mostly sell common houseplants, but I don't mind. I mean, I love common houseplants. This channel is all about that. So if you want affordable, common, and popular houseplants, then you should go to Houseplant Shop and find your new plant baby. But like I said, so like here's like the instructions on the plant care. And they have like nice photos as well. Ooh, houseplant shop. Okay, houseplant shop. And like if you are a plant beginner, this is a very good guide on how to take care of plants. Or you could at least look at like certain plants that you're interested and look at their plant care and see if there's something that fits right in your environment, in your lifestyle. So it's really a good guide. So good job, houseplant shop. So okay, this is like my order form. And look, so they use mostly carton, which is I love, no plastic. Actually last time they did use a bit of plastic, but it's just like the part to cover the soil, but they use mostly carton. So like here's the box, which is I'm probably gonna reuse. And you know, hold on, let me see if I can do the Instagram thing. Because you know how like in Instagram, like they like just pull out the carton and then like the plants just like swoosh. Let me see if I can do that. Probably have to back up a little bit. Okay, let's see if I can back this up a little bit. Okay. Ooh, I can see it. It looks amazing. So, okay, let's do the swoosh thing. Wait, hold on. Okay, I probably have to push it a little bit. Okay, I have to like push it from the pad a little bit. I like that it came in a white pot. So, that's in my aesthetic. So usually when nursery pots like look decent or in the color that I like, I keep it in that nursery pot. I don't really like change it out. So if you watch my POTHOS care video, like with this one, if the soil, if this plant is not root bound and I don't see any pest pressures, I'm probably not gonna repot this at all. But okay, let's see if I can do the swoosh thing. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Wait, I still can't. Hold on. Okay, I'll probably have to tear it up a little bit. Hold on. They pack it really tightly, which is great, but I can't do the Instagram thing very easily. Alright, ready? I am ready. Okay, I think this time it will work. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, not yet. Oh my god. Ready? For real this time. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. So I got this scindapsus pictus exotica. Oh my god, look how huge is that. We got like soil spilling all over, but it is huge. They listed it as a silver splash philodendron on their website. So I wasn't sure if I was getting the exotica or I'm just getting the silver satin. But I believe this is the exotica. Oh my god, there's like some soil falling. But it's good. It's good. Oh, look at that beautiful plant. Oh my god. I'm so happy that I finally have this. And as you can see, it's already trailing. Oh my god. Look at those huge leaves. And wait, this is the exotica, right? Yeah, this is the exotica, not the silver satin. Oh my god. Look at that. It's so much prettier in person. That I have railed against this plant, not gonna lie, because I thought I will not like the variegation in person, but this looks amazing. Like I'm still not sure if this is an exotica or a silvery end, but I'm definitely leaning towards an exotica. You would think after my POTHOS guide I would have become more of an expert on identifying these plants, but apparently not. But yeah, I'm gonna go with exotica, but let me know what you think, because I do think this is an exotica, not a silver satin. And on their website they have it as a silver splash philodendron or as a silver splash pothos. So I wasn't really quite sure which one is it, but I think this is an exotica. But either way, I'm happy because I wanted this. I already have the scindapsus pictus argyrius, which has a smaller leaf, so I wanted to get the exotica so I can get the one that with a larger leaf. But this looks amazing. I am now an owner of the scindapsus pictus exotica. So I just brought this in the shower to like wash off the leaves because there had some like soil that was like tossed around, I guess, in shipping. I did notice though that the pot is cracked, so I might do have to repot it if I can't fix that. And as I look down the drainage hole, I could see a lot of roots already, so I think this is already root bound. But again, we'll check later on. I'm gonna wait for the soil to completely dry out because the soil is a bit moist. They probably watered this before sending to me, so I'm gonna wait for the soil to dry out and see what's going on, and maybe I'll do a repotting video for this one. I forgot to mention, because like I know people are like saying, I thought you have a plant budget that you're sticking to. I do, and I'm still on budget with this one. Bought seeds for like $45. This one was just $23, so that's like $67. I did earn money from Poshmark for about like $80 in January, so I'm still within budget. And also another loophole in that entire plant budget thing is I paid for this plant using Sezzle. So it's kind of like Afterpay. It divides your payment up. So when I got this, I paid $5 something at first. It's gonna take another $5 something 3 more times up until I believe last week of March or first week of April. So I kind of like spread it out a bit. And that's how I bought this plant a lot earlier than planned. So that's kind of like my loophole into it, which is, I know, but I made it work. Okay, so this is probably a bad idea, so I'm not gonna recommend it to you. But because I'm in a hurry and I want this plant to dry out, at least the leaves, I'm going to blow dry it. I'm gonna do it in a cool setting. This one has a permanent cool setting, so it is going to be in the cool setting the entire time I'm using it, and it's going to be in the lowest setting. So I just kind of want to blow all the moisture off and all the remaining soil on its leaves, just to give me a peace of mind while I'm gone. And I'm just gonna leave it hanging here so that it could drain and dry out. Okay, so let's do it. Making sure it's on cool setting. Yep, it's on cool setting. Okay, so I finished blow drying it and a lot of the moisture has been wicked out for the most part. Yeah, so that's it for my video. I hope you liked it. And oh yeah, before I forget, and I'm not sure if the discount code is still gonna work by the time you watch this video, but I did put it in my Hoya Carrier propagation blog post, so I hope you've seen that and was able to catch the discount. But if not and you haven't, the discount I believe is 5 off to get $5 off your total, or 10 off to get 10% discount off your total. So just see which one is going to give you a bigger discount. You can't use both at the same time, you can only use one. Yeah, so go check it out, houseplantshop.com. The link will be down in the description. And again, not sponsored, but this is only my 3rd time buying plants online and my 2nd time buying at houseplantshop.com. And like my first experience with them, I am very happy with this one. Like, this is worth the price that I paid for it, because even if I found this in a big box store, they're probably gonna sell it for $17 the cheapest and $25 at most, which is like, so the price I got it for is in between, including shipping. Like the $23 is including the shipping, well, minus the discount, but including the shipping cost. So yeah, and they gave it like a little thing so I could like hang it if I have to. I'm not sure where to put this yet, but it's probably gonna go up my green wall. But yeah, I'm so happy that I already have this. But yeah, so that's it for my video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you subscribe. I come up with houseplant and sustainable lifestyle videos every week. And if you haven't yet, go check this business out for me and while you wait for my next video. But until then, I see you, I appreciate you, and have a plentiful day. Bye!